Hey friends, and welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you a layering hack for heat transfer vinyl. So this was my design in my Silhouette studio, and I had these 4 colored feathers, I guess, for these arrows. So what I end up doing is taking just a clear page protector. I get mine from the Dollar Tree, and I load that on my mat with some washi tape, and I use these markers. I can find them at the Target Dollar Spot or Dollar Tree quite often, and they fit right in my Silhouette blade holder, so I don't have to make any adjustments or anything. I just stick it right in, and I send that to my Silhouette. So it prints out essentially the design that I'm using for my onesie, and I have it all ready to go. So then I can just line that up on top of the New to the Tribe, and I know exactly where I need those 4 different colored feathers and the arrow that will end up going on top of it. So because these are so small, I just end up using some tweezers, and I have to use 2 hands, so I do it off camera, and I just kind of slide it underneath that page protector, and I can line all 4 of those color feathers up and make sure that they're in the right spot, and go ahead and heat press that before I put the arrow layered on top of it. So obviously, if you're familiar with Silhouette, I printed it out the right way when I used my marker, and I reversed that exact same image. I went ahead and reversed horizontally before I cut out my heat transfer vinyl. So I didn't change the size or anything. I just took that exact same image, and I get all of my kind of bottom layers pressed with my heat press, and then I can line up my design one more time, and I can now go ahead and slide under the arrow, and it will be right where it needs to be to line up with those 4 colored feathers and be straight across underneath the lettering. So I have that all lined up just the way I need it to be, and I am removing that page protector before I heat press. You don't want to heat press with that page protector on. So I'm removing that, and I'm adding my Teflon sheet and just making that second press so everything is where it is supposed to be. I've seen this hack done also with extra sheets of the transfer paper for heat transfer vinyl. So if you have like an extra sheet or a saved sheet or a smaller image, you can use that and go ahead and press it. But with the page protectors, you don't want to press it. And there it is. Everything is lined up exactly how it's supposed to be. Thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, you can find more from us here. Make sure to subscribe so you can follow all of our DIYs. Give it a big thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments if this is a hack that you'll be using. Bye, guys.